Hi, I'm Paul here with MarineMax of Houston. I'm aboard a 2025 386 Canyon by Grady-White. We're powered by triple 450 horsepower Yamahas on the back. This boat is hard loaded with all the great options. Come on aboard, let's check some of them out. Okay, starting back here in the back, we've got a huge aerated live well here. There's actually one on the port side as well. And you'll notice we have side doors on both sides. Great for boarding from the dock or dragging in a fish, or great for scuba diving. This is actually a refrigerated fish box in the back, and it runs off the generator or shore power. It'll actually keep ice frozen. I like this bench seat. It folds away neatly out of the way. You still have a good tow hold for your fishing. Gives you plenty of room for your cockpit area for fishing or cooking. Check out the grill we have back here. Nice wet bar, trash receptacle, tons of storage here for either cooking utensils or your fishing equipment. You'll notice there's rod holders all over this boat, drink holders all over this boat. We've got an electric shear shade that comes out the back for additional sun protection. And then we have a manually deployed bow shade for the front. I love this, 4 helm seats. Everybody gets a shot at the windshield, but you also get a shot at the air conditioning on the helm here. This boat's equipped with the full maneuverability joystick system, as well as a bow thruster. So it's really a joy to operate this boat, and very easy for one person to do so. Let's go check the bow out, and then we'll come look at the cabin. One of the things that gives this boat so much versatility is the bow. All of these cushions can be removed, and you can use this for a casting platform, or you'll notice we've got really nice reclining backrest for entertaining your guests. This is one of my favorite features right here, is this really comfortable lounge. We've got beautiful cockpit lighting throughout the boat. It's really a great boat for entertaining, but it'll do some serious fishing as well. Speaking of that, you can also overnight on it. Let's check out the cabin down below. Right down below, you'll see the spacious cabin. You can put a table in place there. You've got a really nice, large area, beautiful head compartment. And believe it or not, this is all inside the center console of this boat. Great skylight, a lot of natural lighting on here. So this is a great boat you can overnight on, or just have a nice air-conditioned place to fix your meal for your guests. This is just one of our many great offerings here at MarineMax in Houston. My name is Paul. I'll be glad to take care of you. Come see us.